This is huge. And this is the army, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's crazy. This thing is huge. The tires. Goodness. You have to have tires that big to make it land. The line is ridiculous. What is that right there? What's hanging out of that? Oh, okay. Oh, this is crazy. See, that's the first one that everybody's seeing, so they're lining up. There ain't much of a line over here. Oh my god, look at the propeller. Dang. So that's just to keep them warm or something? Oh. Eli loved this, but it's too cold for Eli. Eli would have loved this, but it's too cold for Eli. He's sick too. I wonder if they're going to go in the air and stuff. They are?
Some air shows.
Yeah, but I didn't think that they were going to go in the air. Dang, what is that big thing on top of that?
That's the weather thing.
That damn thing is huge. United States. That's just cool as heck. Man, that's old too. It's pretty old. Why does it say walk?
Huh?
Walk.
Walk where?
Right there. It says jet blast danger.
Yeah, jet danger.
And it says walk.
Underneath that part. Don't get behind that.
Mm-hmm.
While you're too payoff.
Ryan.
Right.
They're probably like $130.
That's Navy.
Navy airplane. They should have outright Skinero. Look how cool this is. Huh?
You can get a picture of them on that side.
You can get coins, hats, patches.
Come here and get set up.
Oh, that's cool.
Come on, go on that side.
United States Army. This is where our man goes and fights. But that's a fighter jet over there. Yeah. That's crazy.
Oh, you don't need help, Dad? Okay. You don't need help. You did a good job.
Ow.
What's this? Mom! Yeah, he can sit in there. Oh, he can? You don't want to sit in there?
I don't want to sit in there.
My dad doesn't go that way. Really?
Daddy wants to fly in there, but...
Hurry up.
Alright.
Hey, can we get a picture of you in the helicopter?
Ryan, you want to go sit us there?
When they're sitting? Take
Yeah.
off then.
Yeah, there you go. Get it started. If we get started, we go.
No, that thing's cooking ball.
I know, right?
All they needed is one instead of like 20 of them.
Make a cheeseburger.
Take off running.
I know, right?
Take that one down there. Mark it back there.
That's cool as heck. They might have the speakers. He had Bluetooth speakers. And at one point he took them all. Bluetooth speakers, that's expensive. I mean, they're like $5 maybe. Looky here.
How are you all?
Alright, how are you?
Oh, trying to stay warm.
I know, it's cold. You want one?
How does it at least be at 50?
I know. We had to spend $40 on that and then 30 on these because we came up here and spend clothes. We thought because we were in chocolate and it's like cold. Get up here. It's pretty cool. It would have been a whole lot better, yeah. I said, why didn't we have this in July?
This would be like a, hey, well, let's do it like in the summer, maybe August, early September.
They would have had a lot more people to show up too.
Oh, yeah.
You want one of those?
Well, did you guys come up here last year?
No, this is their first year.
Last year it got chilly in the morning, but it wasn't this bad.
Right.
It was like maybe low 50s.
Yeah.
But it warmed up later in the day. And
It's supposed to warm up a little bit, but not very much today. It's sad.
Yeah, it almost feels like it could snow right now.
I know, it's so cold. Thank you. That's cool. Skedoodle. Let's go to that one that's over there. It looks cool. Come here and look at this one. Oh, you can't go in it.
That's the one that have air show on it there.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Look at all the oil they have to have, Skedoodle. All the oil. The oil, see all them oil. The oil.
That's what they ran in.
Those are cool. Why is my camera so... It's fogging up. It's fogging up.
Yeah, because it's cold.
Right here will tell what it exact is. B25 at Bomber Rods. Skedoodle. Let your dreams chase your B25 Bomber Rods. Every ride includes a raw power experience, a photo opportunities, bragging rights, honor pay, and all that.
Information. That's that one up there.
Right here?
Right.
We're asking?
Catwalk in the bomb bay. So you can walk. You go like this between the bomb racks from the front to the back of the plane. On the B-25, you climb over the bomb bay. So it's a little more challenging.
On your back.
Yeah.
You gotta go over on your back.
Yeah, you put your hands on these rails, and there's a sort of a tunnel that goes under the pilot to go to the nose.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. That B-25 is the only one flying that's an actual World War II combat veteran. It flew in the Mediterranean theater. And, yeah. There's supposedly some bullet hole patches in it when you get up close to it. It also flew for the Royal Canadian Air Force and the Royal Air Force.
So that's the guns up front.
Yeah, that's nose gun. That's where the bombardier would be.
He had two jobs, bombardier and he also gunner.
Yeah.
So I flew in that on the way here, down here.
Yeah, my car had one too.
Where'd it come from?
Ann Arbor.
Yeah, we're basically from the
Based on
Detroit
Michigan,
area.
Detroit area.
It's a 6-hour drive
Oh,
by
yeah,
car.
down here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hour and a half. Yeah, I sat up front for about a half hour.
Oh, yeah.
And it was awesome. There's nothing, it's just like, all you see in front of you is just air
It's
and
awesome.
ground.
Well, you go like this, and there's just a piece of plexiglass between you and air.
Wow.
It's chilly up there too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get it.
Is
I
it?
bet. Yeah, heck yeah.
Wow, there ain't no heat or nothing in
No,
it?
but no heat in that. Didn't add to that. Or the
Well,
colder.
that's, see, during the war, the crew wore these heated flight suits,
Yeah.
heated shoes and all
Yeah.
that, and you plug into a receptacle.
Oh, yeah?
But we don't have the heated flight suits to give you.
Yeah.
Our C-47, our cargo plane, actually has a heater.
Really?
Yeah. But it's not here today, so.
Yeah.
Y'all should have picked a warmer day.
What's that?
Y'all should have picked a warmer day.
Yeah, you know,
I said, why didn't they have it
You
in
guys didn't
July?
give the right forecast.
Yeah.
we were watching the weather forecast earlier in the week. It was supposed to be, 60-something.
I guess more tornado, hurricane stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it messed it
Yeah, 'cause
up.
the forecast is 16 sunny.
Yeah.
They should have had this in July. This place would be packed.
Well, up in Michigan, after the second week of October, it's a crapshoot.
Yeah.
Because
My aunt lives up there.
yeah, we had a house with a sprinkling system, and I always had it full.
You want to ride the Skedaddle? He wants to ride the train.
Ride the train?
Come on, let's go try. Thank you, guys.
Talking to you. Enjoy the show.
On the train. This is cool. I wish Logan would have showed up here. I ain't coming up here tomorrow. That was crazy. The last day is going to be busy on tomorrow. You mean this is something that you would go again? Look, Ryan. They just set it up. We need to go back there. All them. Look at this thing. Where that boy goes. I was like, yeah, that's huge. He said they were taking a wing off or something.
They're getting ready to go. Flight.
Oh.
Check out.
Good morning. My name is Ted Carter. I'm the president of South Carolina Convention. I want to thank
This is really cool. Give me out. Yeah. Oh, thank God, I gotta use the bathroom.
How do you know it's not even clean? God, you're a party pooper.
This is a mouthpiece. That's cool as heck. Guys, I don't know if you caught where we are at
We are at the 2018 air show at the Yeager Airport, which is today and tomorrow.
This is for the general public. $50 Rock City gift cards. And then if you're military or retired, then we've got a gift. You can sign up for that, or if you're fireman, or EMT, or police, you can put them in separate things. So, get you.
I want one of your cards.
You're an EMT, right? A veteran. What's your... Got some bubbles. Now this here. It's just different activities. Alright, how are you?
On the first three tables, we have several elements called the stroke demand reduction program, which is similar to the DARE program that used to be at school.
Yeah.
So we have some register information and some activities for the children.
Yeah, my kid is over with us at, well, where they at now?
Well, when they come by, come to it and we'll show them some of the effects of alcohol.
Oh, there they are.
On their driving.
I'll go get them.
Okay.
Let's go get him. Skedaddle. Let's go over there. And here you go. A bubbles.
What's wrong with my kid, Mom?
You don't have to be a kid. You're stinking awesome. Look at these little airplanes. This is awesome.
You can just park right on.
I know, right? Is these actually drones? Do you fly these with like?
Yeah.
No way. But let's go over here. This guy's waiting on us. He wants to do a thing with Ryan. Come on, Ryan.
I don't think he's buying it.
Put on gloves. Unroll candy.
Put a little car down here and I'll let you drive the car down to the end of the blue line and back.
Want to do that?
Behind. Easy job, right?
Here, put your book bag up for me. Here, put your arm in there. And the other one. Put it in there. That's where it won't fall on you. There you go. Right. You see where to do it at, right? He said right here from the line to the...
I like to hold these glasses up. The spray is something that changes the vision a little bit.
Oh.
It shows you what it might be like if somebody is driving under the influence of alcohol, okay?
Like
so just hold those up before you put them on to make sure, there you go, that you feel comfortable with.
That's when people's under like drugs and alcohol.
And if you feel comfortable with them, you can go ahead and put them on.
You don't feel comfortable in them? Can you see in them? Here, let's try, okay? This is how you would drive if you were drunk or if you was on drugs. You already know how that. You already failed. Now see, Rob, how you would... Ryan, try to go on the line. Can you see? Now see, that's how, if you were drunk or if you were on drugs, that's how people wreck. That's how they drive. It's hard, ain't it? Uh-oh. He's drunk right now. Them vision things put you where if you were under the influence or if you're on drugs or alcohol, and to see how you would drive on the line. It's really cool.
I couldn't see out there. I'm blind anyway.
I love these cars. It's hard to steer. These have this
Wow. There you go. Ryan, you gotta do it back here though. Now he's gonna say, I want one of them. I want to get one of these and one of these.
If you want, you can take several of these. This is the history from the DEA behind what these mean.
Oh, okay, cool.
And some of the...
you get two of them? Okay.
Yeah, it goes through the October...
Tell you what, I'll get one of these and one of these again for my oldest son, which is 15.
Okay, or if you want some more, that's fine too. Some of the teachers are taking them, using them for their classes. They don't have the DARE program.
I wish they bring that back because I had it in school when I was a kid. And I absolutely loved it. And it was a big old black guy, and he was the nicest, sweetest man you ever met in your life that did it. He did it every single year. And when I found out that he passed away, I cried. It broke my heart because I expected him there every single year. But thank you.
Okay.
Guys, I'm going to record a lot of stuff, but here's what it looks like in here. So I want to go and put the camera down so I can try to enjoy it a little bit with my family. I know.
When you're on the ground in an airplane, you can't turn it. This doesn't work on the ground. You got to use your feet. Okay?
That's for the left and right
Yeah,
part.
sure, left and right. If you want to brake when you're on the ground,
When you're on the
push
ground.
the very tips of your toes forward. That's your brake. Okay?
That's so cool.
That's the left and right wheel, right?
Huh?
Is this left and right wheel
It's
when you're on the ground?
yeah. Well, your brake's on your toe wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh.
Okay.
Yeah. But you hit left and right, you go left
So
and right.
when you're on the
Wow,
ground,
I didn't know that.
okay. I want you to put your hands on your knees. Okay. All right.
Until you get there.
Remember, you don't touch it so you're in the air running. Can you hold this? It's videoing him. Hold this, it's videoing him.
All right. So this is your throttle. This is what gives you gas. Okay. So we're going to give it some throttle. Give it some little throttle until it starts moving forward. Okay, you'll start moving. Okay. You want to keep this close on the line as you can. So your feet. Use your feet.
Remember, go left, left. Too much.
Too much.
Uh-oh.
Get in line.
Remember,
Easy.
don't touch this until you're...
Right there.
You don't touch this, right?
If he's shoving down on his foot.
Just use your feet.
Just use your feet, don't steer.
There you go.
There you go. Okay. A little bit more. Oh. You're on the grass.
Ryan, you could be a helicopter guy.
You can be a helicopter pilot.
Is it real easy, not hard?
Okay. Here's what we're going to do. You're close enough. So I want you to push this throttle forward. I want you to keep it as straight as you can and start pulling back. Just back. Just a little bit. Start taking off here again.
Get a rock caught in the spoke.
What's going on here? Here, pull back.
You just went through the fence.
Oh, you went through the fence.
You're in there. I was like, yeah, you're in there. Get your feet off the pedals.
There you go.
You're at Charleston Airport.
Okay. So when you're in the air, this
Look at the bear.
the whole airplane left, like this. Okay. You want to turn this way, so just move the nose and use your feet. Okay. Oh.
There's some more of the stuff here. All the airplanes, which is super, super cool. All these airplane models are here today. Guys, I have been waiting for this moment my whole life. This is hemp oil, and it is awesome. Missing the airplanes. Look at the airplanes. My lord. How teeny they are now. $1970 Jeep Cousins. That's what you're going to do. Skedaddle, where do you get it? Where do you go? Where do you go to get it? Where do you go to do it?
What are you down there?
Where though? Where?
Come on, Ryan. There.
Oh. This place is massive.
Oh shit.
It's starting to warm up.
Darling.
Huh?
Darling.
Really?
Yeah.
That plane is huge.
Where'd that one's going? Little ones. Must be sharp the whole time.
Oh, there was some here. Where's those army?
Huh?
The army ones are gone too.
Which army ones?
There was an army one right here. Oh no, that's over there, right?
It's over there.
Oh. Airplane taking off. Here comes that helicopter. You're so going to do that. You gonna do it? Huh?
You know what that is? It's mash. That's mash. That's what that is.
Nuh-uh.
Look at that splash right now.
Oh, heck no. They can land anywhere. We probably gotta go that way, right?
Oh.
Yeah, let's go that way. Air show toys. All of our army newbies.
I think we should
parachuting.
That's cool.
That's just neat. Oh my God. Is that not, or take your hat off, Skadoodle. That's just cool. Oh, that is just so cool. You run out of Spitfire. He's just... Ready to ride that, Skadoodle?
Yeah.
Well, let's get to it. Come on. No, you don't. Is it against the line?
Ladies and gentlemen, we're officially underway for the first day of West Virginia.
There's a lot of more people that wants to ride. There's a lot of people that wants to ride. There's a few people down there. A lot of people said, hey, I wish I went with us. Well, I shouldn't say that. I wish he would go on it, because I would. I said I wish that Ryan would go on it, because I want to go on it. There he goes. He was wanting to ride.
Yeah.
Fill that out for me. Alright, perfect. So here's your ticket. You'll see the line right there. Someone's gonna run and grab you, okay? Have fun.
There ain't no line.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, just right.
Excited?
Yeah, I don't want to wait that 2 hours.
Oh well, you're waiting.
I guess it's line, ain't it? I don't see anybody got me in.
Are y'all in line for the, yeah. Make sure we're in the right line. Are you excited? Are you nervous?